Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to read an amazing story, The Pig and the Cat. Let us start reading it. Once upon a time there lived a pig named Minju and a cat named Pinky. Minju loved to play in the mud and roll around in the dirt. Pinky preferred to stay clean and tidy. One sunny day, Minju saw Pinky sitting on a fence, licking her paws. Hey Pinky, Minju called out. Why don't you come and play in the mud with me? It's so much fun. Pinky wrinkled her nose and shook her head. No, thank you, Minju. I don't like getting dirty. Suddenly, Pinky slipped and fell off the fence right into a puddle of mud. She was very upset and started to cry. Minju hurried over. Don't worry, Pinky. It is just mud. I'll help you clean up. Minju showed Pinky how to wash off the mud in a nearby stream. They splashed around and soon Pinky was clean again. As they played in the water, Pinky began to realize that getting a little dirty wasn't so bad after all, especially when you have a friend to help you. From that day on, Minju and Pinky found new ways to play together. Sometimes they played in the mud and other times they stayed clean. They learned to enjoy each other's company and respect each other's likes and dislikes. Moral that we learned from the story is true friends help each other and have fun together no matter what. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.